if your PlayStation is turning off whilst you're playing games, I'm going to show you how to fix this in a couple of simple steps. So first you want to go over to your settings, you want to go to users and accounts, and then you want to go down to other, restore licenses. I have these games, but for example, if you want to just change one game from shutting down whilst you're still playing, just hit restore on one of them. It Takes Two, for example, it's going to take a few seconds depending on how big the actual game is, so we'll just wait this out. Great, now the license is restored, you want to go back and then you want to scroll down to system. From here, you want to hit power saving and then set time until PS5 enters rest mode. So from here, you want to make sure don't put rest mode is on for both during media playback and while playing games, so it doesn't go into rest mode regardless. And then you want to go up to HDMI and make sure that all of the HDMI toggles are off. So you want all 4 of these to be off. From there, then go over to the settings again, save data and game app settings. From here, go to game presets and make sure performance mode or resolution mode is set to performance mode. So you want to keep this on performance mode for this to work. Once all of them 4 things are done, you just want to hit the PlayStation button and then restart your PlayStation, and hopefully this will work. Thanks. Any questions, let us know, and please subscribe.